Don't you hate it when you're home alone and suddenly you hear a noise downstairs? Like, bitch,
Who the fuck was that?
like who invited you? Get your goofy ass out of my kitchen. Like the house be dead silent for 3 hours straight, then suddenly it sounds like a fucking dungeon is being opened. Now I'm hiding under my blanket
Like it's
Bulletproof. Like that thin-ass sheet
gonna protect me from whatever demon just opened the fridge.
I'm walking around with a hanger in my hand like I'm about to square up with the boogeyman. Talking about who's there, like I want a response.
bitch. If something says me,
I'm out the window.
I'm starting a new life.
I'm leaving the ghost to pay rent.
You wanted this house so bad?